Hey everyone, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to apply a sale on Wix. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time with Wix, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Applying a sale to products in your Wix store is an effective way to offer discounts and boost sales. Wix allows you to create sales with percentage-based or fixed amount discounts. So here's how you can apply a sale to your products. I want you to go to the your store and then select the product that you want to apply a sale. In this case, I have a lot of products here, but I'm specifically looking for this one. Okay, so what I'm going to do for me to apply a specific sale here, I'm gonna click on this specific product and then that will lead me to the product editor. I have now the option to basically set a sale for this individual product. All right, how to do that? Just hover down below where it says price. So you see there's gonna be an option here that says on sale. All right, so I'm gonna apply a sale, so I can have like a discount or a sale price depending on your preferences. If you wanted a specific percentage for a discount, say for example 6.9%, this is gonna be the price. But if you wanted to set a specific sale price, for example $69 or $6.9 for that matter, you can do it as well depending on your preferences, goals, and needs. All right, you can add a custom field if you wanted. That's very easy. Okay, you have the product options, but we're not gonna deal with the variants. All right, you can also track inventory, and the most important thing is you might want to click on save for this one. So basically this is how you apply a sale on a specific product. All right, now after doing so, you might want to go back to your Wix editor, because here, after creating a sale discount or a sale percentage off on your products, you might want to click on add elements. You might want to create something like an image or a button, say for example. Click that and rename this something like sale, right? And of course make it a little bit bigger, so that the customers would know that these are some of the products that you are making a big discount. All right, once you apply the sale, promote it using banners, pop-ups, and by using these steps you can successfully apply sales and discounts in your Wix store and increase customer engagement. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.